Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. We're going to be doing some lead quarters in the oven tonight. Yes, lead quarters. And we will need the following ingredients. I'm going to use some Slap Your Mama, soy sauce, accent, butter, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, cayenne pepper, brown sugar, and of course our lead quarters chicken. So without further ado, let's get this party started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have the chicken has been rinsed. I'm just going to lay it in here so you can see exactly what I'm going to do with it. And I'm going to let this marinate. This piece, I always call it a little nipple. I'm going to cut this piece off, this little tip here. Just like that. So it can be flat all the way around, okay? Just like that, okay? Now, if you also want to cut this piece off, that piece of the skin, you may do that as well. It's really up to you. If you have any feathers on it, take those off or cut that piece off altogether. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I took off the excess that was around the edges. I need to rinse this off one more time. So after I've seasoned the chicken with the cayenne pepper, paprika, Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, accent, and Slap Your Mama. This is how it looks. I did use some olive oil. I'm going to set this in the refrigerator and let it marinate. Once it's out of the refrigerator, we're going to come back and we're going to stick it into the oven. See you back shortly. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the chicken has been marinated overnight. I'm going to use this tray here because I want the grease to fall underneath it. So I actually added water underneath this pan to catch all of the grease. Look at those juices in there. See that juice in the corner? Oh my, this is going to be delicious, y'all. Just gonna soak up all those juices in this pan here. I'm not gonna waste this juice. Oh, these flavors, y'all. This is gonna be delicious. I kid you not. This is going to be delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. So I have the oven set at 350. You see that? Let me bring it around so you can actually see it. Does that not look good going in? Oh yes, y'all. Yes. This is going to be delicious. So I have the oven set at 350, and then we said an hour and a half. So in 45 minutes, I'm gonna flip them and let them cook again on the opposite side, and we are going to have a nice dinner. See you back soon. Okay, so we're gonna make our glaze now. I'm gonna use about a tablespoon and a half of butter. We're gonna let this melt. Okay, our butter has melted. We're gonna use about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm gonna use some brown sugar. Yeah, I'm running low, you guys. My last brown sugar. I'm gonna use the rest of it. And now we just need a little bit of honey. And we're gonna let this stir. We have about 5 more minutes left on the chicken, and it will be coming out of the oven. And we're going to pour this glaze, that glaze right there, on top of the chicken. It's going to give it a nice taste. Let's sample this. You need a little bit more sugar, I think. I'm going to use some white sugar since I'm out of brown. You know me, improvise, y'all, improvise. A tad bit more honey. There we go. That should be fine. I want to give it a nice little sweet taste to it. So butter, soy sauce, sugar, and honey is all you need for this sauce. And you don't need that much. And let it cook for about another 5 minutes. And then we're going to pour this glaze directly on top of it. Okay, y'all ready to sample this with me? Yeah, I know I need some hot sauce, right? That's the reason I did not add the sauce to this one. So, I'm going to spread this on there and let you take a peek on the inside of this. See that? See, that chicken is done, okay? It's done. It's done, son. Look at that. Does that not look delicious? Y'all, this is good, okay? You didn't even need the hot sauce. It's juicy, tender, it's not dry. It's really delicious. Okay. My macaroni and cheese is almost done. I want to thank you for watching this video. Leave your comment below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and also hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. Until then, God bless you and have a wonderful day.